Welcome back to the Piney Woods Homestead, y'all. Thought I'd bring you along for a little campfire cooking. We'll set up a small little campfire down here in the wood yard, and we're going to grill up some onion and garlic homemade bratwurst right here from the homestead. Guys, thanks for stopping in at the Piney Woods Homestead. Hit that like and subscribe if you hadn't, and if you have, as always, y'all, we appreciate you. So y'all, I cheated just a little bit. It lit up really easy, didn't it? And it would anyways. This wood's been in the dry. It's about 2 years old. It's good and dry, good and seasoned. But we've had a lot of rain, and it's been in the 80 percentile humidity range. So I gave it a little bit of a boost with some odorless charcoal starting lighter fluid. I'll let this get burnt down a little bit. Everything's wet around me, so I'm not worried about burning a small fire here in the wood yard. We've had probably 7 inches of rain in the past week and a half, so I'm not worried about it at all. But I'll get me a few coals burnt down, and then we're going to pull out some of these beautiful bratwurst and get them on here and see how they sizzle. Y'all, while this fire is burning down, getting me some good coals for these brats, I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on today. The heat's been ridiculous, y'all, so any chance I have to run the excavator, since it has air conditioning, I jump on it. So I've been on it today, working on this new wood yard. So here's where that big pile of slabs was that I moved to get out of my way so I could get up in here. Today I just came up in here and started taking out underbrush. There's about 7. I'm jumpy, y'all, because the very first pull I did in here with the bucket on the excavator, I uncovered some yellow jackets, and they're swarming around all over the place. But there's 7 or 8 trees that I'll be taking out of here. Decent sized stuff. Nice poplar here. Pretty straight, but it's not really big enough for lumber, so it'll probably be firewood. A few pines that I'll be able to put on the mill, and that's really it, y'all. There's a little bit of scrub in here I just pulled out, but I've got it piled up over here to one side to get moved further out into the woods. It'll just rot down over time, but this will be our wood yard edition. We have to have it because right now we've got 10 cord of firewood split. Room for about 2 more bunks I've got to build, and I'll do a different bunk system over here. I like to keep wood off the ground. That way that bottom bit's not rotting on us, and it just dries quicker, seasons quicker. So when we get to that, I'll show you what I'll be doing, but for now I'll get out of here and away from these yellow jackets and back to the campfire. Y'all, while I'm sitting here waiting on these coals to get ready for these bratwurst, I thought I would remind you that we have recently designed a couple of t-shirts for the homestead. One thing you hear me say a lot around here is, Lord willing and the creek don't rise too high, or good Lord willing and the creek don't rise too high. That's just an old saying that I guess is probably pretty familiar to everybody, but we've used it on the t-shirt along with a picture of a nice big hog, one with a tractor, and I believe there's one with a design that Lisa came up with that you can actually see on the channel, our homestead logo. If you buy one of those shirts, it helps us, y'all. We get a few dollars off of it. It's a third-party company that lets us design a shirt. They fulfill everything and give us a little cut, and so it will help with hog feed, chicken feed, and whatever else we need here around the homestead. You can be a part of it in that way and get something in return that you can wear and show your support for us. if you buy one, guys, let us know. Let us know what you think about it. But use that 10% off. It'll be in the description, as well as, I believe, on the site that it'll take you to buy a shirt. Just click it, get that 10% off. Now, I know for some of you folks up north in the Midwest that have large firewood productions, you think 10 cord, that ain't nothing. Compared to what y'all do, no, it's not. But if you've watched our channel at all, and if you hadn't, you'll learn now, this is not all that we do. This is part of it. When we have lot clearing jobs, or any friends of mine that also clear lots, things of that nature, have trees, we go pick them up, or we haul them off of a lot clearing job that we have. We sort out what's good for firewood, for the sawmill, and that's how we come by our wood. We're not using tree services to deliver wood, things like that. Lisa does 99.9% of all the splitting out here. You'll be seeing her do some more of that soon, because we've got to get this big pile worked down to finish filling up our 10 bunks in here. And we have room for about 2 to 3 more bunks in this wood yard prior to moving to the new one. So it's not all we do, so don't think, man, that's nothing. It's just part of our model here. So our business model, if you don't know, includes firewood, sawmilling for the public. We do that by the hour. And we cut the occasional mantel pieces, slabs, things like that, per request of a customer. And sometimes we just keep a few on hand in case somebody wants one. We also do excavator work, whether that's grading small lots off, building pads, clearing, whatever you can do with a hoe excavator, that's what I do. And Lisa, you already know because you've already seen the video, she is running a farm here, y'all. I think we have transitioned from homestead to farm because now we're selling it in her shop. So y'all, we got a lot of irons in the fire. This is how we do it. Fire's worked down, I'm gonna go get those brats, we're gonna throw them on. And there's my good looking woman bringing these bratwursts down. I was giving Lisa a hard time because I wanted her in the video more, but we try to plan ahead for when Lisa's going to be doing stuff in videos, because you know how ladies are, they want things just right for the camera. Now, when I open these up, these are the garlic and onion. I was thinking they were blue ribbon. Blue ribbon and garlic and onion are the only 2 flavors that we have made. And honestly, I don't know which one I like better. I think blue ribbon is actually a little bit better. It's got a little nutmeg in it, but the onion and garlic is fantastic too. So we're going to open these up and get them on this hot grill. Now, for those of y'all that don't know, we raise Hereford pigs here on the homestead. We've been breeding them for several years. We butcher about 2 a year, and we get all of the pork cuts that we need for our family. And we raise it for our extended family, and we sell piglets. So that's how we get these beautiful bratwurst. These are magnificent looking. And honestly, I think I like them better than the hot dog now. And I'm a big Broadleaf fan. Broadleaf is a hot dog brand down eastern part of the state, North Carolina. And I love those, but these are just something different, totally different. But I just texted an old buddy of mine I used to work with a picture of these. He said that we were eating good tonight. And yes, we are. Homegrown, y'all. You can't beat it. I don't know if y'all can hear that slow drip. But that slow drip, that fat on the fire, that's what you want to hear when you're grilling out here. Slow drip. Alright, these brats are done. I got some hungry girls up at the house, and I'm hungry too. We're going to go up here and enjoy this bratwurst meal. Y'all have a good day, a great week, and we'll see you on the next video. Good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise too high.